Hello everyone, in this video we'll talk about TU Darmstadt, Germany. There are some PhD positions available in that university. We can take a look more about that. Since its foundation in 1877, TU Darmstadt has played its part in addressing the urgent issue of future with pioneering achievements and outstanding research and teaching. You can take a look more about that. Excellent opportunities. Students and academics at TU Darmstadt combine outstanding research with robust practical applicability. We qualify our students for demanding jobs in science and business with courses that are research oriented but also prepare them for requirements of working life. So there are 15 PhD positions available in TU Darmstadt. You can take a look about that positions offered by Graduate School LSE under the EU Murray Sklovaska Curry Program co-found project. Join us in shaping the future at the intersection of life sciences and engineering. So if you have background related to what we offer cutting edge science at the intersection of engineering and life sciences, bioengineering, synthetic biology, intelligent biomaterials, and computational analysis modeling artificial intelligence for molecular design benefits for you. EU co-funded PhD project position for 4 years. So they will provide you scholarship for 4 years. Participation is an international and structured PhD program, interdisciplinary supervision, research environment, extracurricular seminars and training for developing transferable skills, mobility grant for conducting research abroad. And when you are applying for that position, they say we also encourage candidates to submit their own research proposal, and this can positively influence the evaluation. And deadline to apply for that position is 15 January 2024. How you can apply is, please note, application are exclusively, so you can apply online application form here. There are 15 PhD positions are available, and there are high chances that you can be accepted on that. Technical University of Darmstadt, co-founded by European Union. There they say that application deadline is 15 January, so you still have time. So all you need to do is personal data and then university. You need to fill all this information and then submit your application. You will have any question related to that scholarship, you can ask me in the comment section. I'll respond to your queries. Thank you so much for watching the video. I wish you best of luck, and kindly guys subscribe to our channel if you want to hear more about scholarship videos. Take care. Bye bye.